Yeah, here worksheet number 1. In page number 80, we have question number 5. Which of the following pairs of ratio is greater? Here ABT is 5 is to 8 or 4 is to 5. To find out which ratio is greater, we can do in two ways. One is the cross multiplication method, other one is making the denominators equal. So first one we will see cross multiplication method. So in cross multiplication method, we take the two ratios in fractional form, 5 by 8 and 4 by 5. These are the two fractions. Take a cross multiplication. So 5 into 5 is equal to 25. 4 into 8 is equal to 32. In this 32 is greater than 25 clearly. In this 32 is 32, the product 32 is taken as 4 into 8 here. In this 4 into 8, what is the numerator part? Numerator part is 4. Numerator part is 4 and the denominator is 8. We want only the numerator. So 32 is greater means 4 by 5. 4 numerator part is 4. 4 by 5 is greater than the other fraction. Therefore 4 by 5 is greater than 5 by 8. Okay. What is the question? Which of the following pairs is greater? 4 by 5 is greater than 5 by 8. Means what? 4 is to 5 is greater than 5 is to 8. This is one way. Other method is making the denominators equal. Like fractions method. Okay. Like fractions. What is that other one? 5 is to 8. You can write it as first 5 by 8 and 4 by 5. LCM of the denominators. LCM of the denominators 8 and 5 is 40. So take the first fraction 5 by 8. To get 40, 5 by the denominator 8 is to be multiplied with 5. So multiply the numerator and the denominator with 5. We will get 25 by 40. And the other one is 4 by 5. To make the denominator 40, we need to multiply the numerator and the denominator with 8. So that the numerator will become 32, denominator will become 40. So 32 by 40 is greater than 25 by 40. Therefore, 32 by 40 means 4 is to 5. 4 is to 5 is greater than 5 is to 8. Okay, this is the another way. Second method. Any one of the method can be used in examinations, no problem. Okay, this is A bit. In the same way, you can continue next bits also. Suppose let us take C bit. Okay, let us take C bit. 23 is to 24 or 15 is to 16. 15 is to 16. So cross multiplication method, 23 by 24, 15 by 16, cross multiplication. So 23 into 16, 15 into 24. 23 16s are 20 16s are 320, 3 16s are 48, 320 plus 48, 368. 23 16s are 368, 15 24s are 10 24s are 240, 5 24s are 120, 240 plus 120, 360. So this is a 360. 15 24s are 360, 23 16s are 368. Clearly 368 is greater than 360. So in this 368 has come because of the multiplication product of 23 and 16. In this numerator part is 23. 23 is the numerator part of this fraction. So therefore, as 23 is the numerator part here, we will take here 23 is to 23 by 24 is greater than 15 by 16. Hence, 23 is to 24 is greater than 15 is to 16. So this is C bit, and I'll show you one more bit also. I left B bit for you people. You people try to do B bit yourself. Okay, now let me show you D bit. D bit is 3 is to 10 or 15 is to 40. So So same cross multiplication method I am continuing. 3 by 10 or 15 by 40. So take the cross, no, don't take R, just 3 by 10 and 15 by 40 don't you take. Later you multiply, cross multiplication. Cross multiply, 3 into 40 is equal to 120, 15 into 10 is equal to 150. So what happened here? 150 is greater than 120. In this 150, what is the 15 into 10? In this 15 is the numerator and 10 is the denominator part. So 15 is the numerator. Which fraction of that is? So this is the numerator of 15 by 40. Therefore 15 by 40 is greater than 3 by 10. Hence we can say that 15 is to 40 is greater than 3 is to 10. So this is D bit of a fifth question. Next we see the question number 6, which is a word problem. Given as a word problem, question number 6. So this is, some of you might have already written this. The question says that there are 50 students in a class, out of which if 24 of them are boys, find the ratio of boys to girls. Find the ratio of boys to girls. So they did not give the girls, but we have to find out and then we have to find the ratio. Okay, for this let us write the statements. There are 50 students in a class. How will you write a statement of this? Number of students in a class. So I will write with black color. Number of students in a class is equal to how many? 50. So if 24 of them are boys, so how will you write the statement of this? Number of boys is equal to 24. We have to find the ratio of boys to girls. To find the ratio of boys to girls, we need to find the girls. How many are there in the class? Number of girls is equal to. So as there are 50 students are there and 24 are boys, definitely the remaining all are girls. There is no question. We don't think about the third gender. We have thinking of there are only two genders, boys and girls. So there are only out of 50 students, if 24 are boys, remaining are the girls. So girls can be of 50 minus 24, which is equal to 26. So there are 26 girls are there. Now we can find the ratio. Therefore the ratio of boys to girls, what is the order? Boys to girls is equal to, first boys number you want 24 is to girls number 26. 24 is to 26, which is not in the simplest form. We can cancel with 2 table. 2 12s are 12, 24 and 2 13s are 26. So your answer is, final answer is 12 is to 13. 12 is to 13 is the ratio of boys to girls. Okay, this is question number 6. Next, question number 7. Question number 7. Sahil ran a distance. Sahil ran a distance of 1.5 km, 1.5 kilometers, and his younger brother younger sister, okay, and his younger sister, okay, whether it is brother or sister, it's not a problem here, because once they are running. and his younger sister could run only 500 meters. Express the distance as ratio. Okay, as ratio. Okay. So Sahil ran a distance of 1.5 kilometers and his younger sister could run only 500 meters. Express the distances as ratio. So they both ran. So Sahil's distance covered is expressed in terms of kilometers, whereas his sister's distance is expressed as in terms of meters. So if when the both are of different units, we cannot write in the ratio form. So we'll write the statements like this: distance ran by Sahil. Distance ran by Sahil is equal to 1.5 kilometers. Okay, but as his sister is running is given, distance is given 500 meters. Let us convert this 1.5 km into 1 kilometers. So we know that 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meters. 1.5 into 1000 meters. So when we are multiplying with some zeros, the decimal will go to right side. How many zeros are there? That many places. But here after decimal we have only one digit is there. So decimal will go to right side one place, so that one zero cancelled. Here one zero will get cancelled with one place to the right side. So the number will become 15 into 100, which is nothing but 1500 meters. This is the distance ran by Sahil. Whereas distance ran by his sister, is equal to younger sister, elder sister, mother. These all not necessary for us. Some we are comparing. One is Sahil, other one is sister. 500 meters. Now express the distances as ratio. Here the order of the ratio is not given. First whose one to be taken is not mentioned. So that is up to our based on our statement. Let us take the statement like ratio of distances covered by Sahil and his sister. Okay, Sahil and his sister. First we are taking Sahil. That is what our statement says. So how much distance Sahil covered? 1500 meters. Is to his sister ran 500 meters. 1500 is to 500. So cancel the two zeros here. 0 0 cut, 0 0 cut, and in 5 table 3 5s are 1 5s are. So answer is 3 is to 1. 3 is to 1. So distances. Here this depend upon our statement. If you write the statement as distances covered by his sister and Sahil, then your answer would be 1 is to 3. Okay. This is what sum number 7.